California Rose. You may have seen me trying to... Hang on a minute. You may have seen me trying to... get a thing of mouthful of spittle there to swallow when I was in the middle of that yodeling. Didn't go down that way. Break time and out.
Grows a wild California rose. Only the eagle that circles above her bird sees it. Its perfume is only enjoyed by the wind as it blows. As the morning gives way to the sun, it reveals all its splendor. And it welcomes the life it gets from the falling rain. In the winter it bears its soul, but the spring remembers. Again it returns to the only home that it knows. Wild Californian rose, pure like silver and gold. No one knows, but there it grows. My wild Californian rose.
Is any line dancers and news women goes to line dance? That's a good term for line dancing, but you know, I can't do it, you know. Getting too old.
Wild Californian rose, pure like silver